Here is your step-by-step guide to the Snow's Accident Repair Centre online quoting system. To begin, head to the Snow's website and go to the Cosmetic Repairs page. Take a scroll down and click the Get Your Instant Quote Now button, where you will be redirected to our online booking system. Simply enter your registration number and press Find Vehicle. Our system will automatically load up your vehicle details, including the manufacturer, model range, body style, and so on. You can then proceed and press Next. You will then be asked to select each damage zone and the type of damage to your car by hovering over the outline of the vehicle and clicking the desired area. As you can see, when you hover over a specific area of the car, you will be provided with more information about that part, for example, the front bumper. This helps you select the accurate area for repair. Next, simply scroll down to the Click Here to Select Damage tab and make your selection from the list. Here you can also add photos of the damage for a more accurate estimate or any additional items. When you're happy, hit Next and you'll be provided with an instant quote and summary of your inquiry. It's as simple as that.